Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to show you quickly how to change PowerFlex40 from, control it from the PLC to the keypad. Basically is to change number 1, make a jump between number 1 and number 11. I don't know if you can see or not here. And then you go to the parameter P36 and P38 to change it from 5 to 0. Then you will have the control on the keypad. So let's do it together. Okay, I go to escape. Okay, sorry. Escape. It's already in P36. I press enter one time, second time, and then I go to select, and then it decreases to 0. Press enter and then escape. I go parameter P38, increase 1, 2, 5, decrease it to 0, 2. You see here, and then 0. And then you have two lights on the enable and the potentiometer, so I can control it, increase, decrease, and now you can start to run the VFD with a belt or whatever you have. I can change also the direction. You see now it's in reverse, so I can reverse it on forward, and I change it, and I can stop it here, and now you see your run light on becomes off. You can run it again, you can stop it, you can increase your potentiometer. So, and then when you are done, you have to come back to the same parameter, escape, P38, select 3, 4, 5, control from the PLC. I go to P36, select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you see both lights are off. Thank you.